Step Recorder is one of the powerful application where you can capture the screen step by step. It will also will give you the textual context also to you, right? Very easily without typing it. Let's see. I will start this start recorder and I will keep the cursor on date and I'll write the formula control comma and it has given the date and I'm just going back to time and control shift comma and then coming back to another C5 where I'm going to write the formula for date and equal to today and similarly I will do it for time, right, equal to now. Okay, now if you stop this one and review it, you will be amazed that whatever the actions I have done, it will automatically capture, right? For example, you see here the first command I have given and what is the next command I have given and what the formula I have used and what the shortcut I have used and all this you can easily capture and you don't need to write the work instruction everything, it will capture the screen and gives you, and I hope you find this step recorder useful. Thank you.